Morning student, welcome students. Today I am going to start relative velocity in two dimension. So in previous class already discussed relative velocity in one dimension. Okay, so today I am going to start relative velocity in two dimension. So before discussion I want to say please subscribe, share, like my channel. Thank you. So now relative velocity two dimension, we consider two body. So let body A, okay, its velocity VA, and that is what velocity of A with respect to ground. We consider another body B, okay, so velocity of B in this direction, let me consider VB, so that's the velocity of B with respect to ground, and let both direction makes an angle theta. Okay, so we are going to find velocity of B with respect to A. So already know velocity of B with respect to A, so we can write velocity of B with respect to ground minus velocity of A with respect to ground. Okay, so first here I am going to break in component velocity of B with respect to ground. We consider it's a x-axis, and now we consider here the y-axis. Okay, so now the velocity of B with respect to ground in this direction, you can write velocity of B cos theta. In this direction you can write velocity of B with with respect to ground in this direction VV sin theta j cap. Okay, so now here the velocity of B with respect to ground, so you can write here BV cos theta I cap plus VV sin theta j cap minus velocity of A with respect to ground is a what? VA, so along I direction. So overall you can write VV cos theta minus VA I cap plus VV sin theta j cap. So that means velocity of B with respect to A, finally it's a resultant vector and with respect to A. So what is the magnitude of velocity of B with respect to A? So you can, because it's a I and it's a J, the both vector having angle between 90 degree, so you can find directly V cos theta minus VA square plus BV sin theta whole square. Angle between there is 90 degree, so 2AB cos 90 is 0. Okay, so after then A minus B whole square, so VV cos theta whole square plus VA square minus 2AVA BV cos theta plus VV square sin square theta. Okay, so after then you can see here VV square here also present, VV square here also, you can take the comma, so VV square, so after then you can write sin square theta plus cos square theta plus VA square minus 2VA BV cos theta. So after then it will become sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So you can write simple VB square plus VA square minus 2VA into VB cos theta. So it's a amount of velocity of B absorbed by A. Absorbed by A. Okay, so now what is the resultant direction of velocity of B with respect to A? So now we consider late here, we consider alpha. Okay, so we can write here tan alpha equal to, so that's a y component is what? VB cos theta minus, sorry, it's a I component. So what's the y component? VB sin theta divided by VB cos theta minus VA. So you can write alpha tan inverse BB sin theta divided by BB cos theta minus VA with respect to A. Okay, so with respect to A, so angle makes with the direction of velocity of A with respect to ground. Okay, so it's about velocity of B with respect to A. That's A absorb the velocity of B how much? By this velocity. Okay, so now, so application of relative velocity 2 dimension. Okay, so there are many applications like a rain person or rain man. Okay, boat river. Okay, you can also say swimmer and river. Okay, and air, aeroplane and air. So now we are going to some examples. Application of relative velocity in 2 dimension. Okay, so firstly I am going to discuss rain person, or you can say also rain man, rain boy, anything. Okay, so now, so first example, so we consider a rain is falling vertically downward. Let me consider velocity of rain. Okay, that is, this is the VR, that is you can say velocity of rain with respect to ground. Okay, so let me consider a man on the ground. Okay, he have a umbrella. Okay, so it will what, its also speed is what, we consider velocity of man with respect to ground, we consider 0. Okay, so now the question is, okay, in which direction umbrella we open, then he can save by the rain. Okay, so now we know here velocity of rain with respect to main. You can write here velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground here. Okay, so if you consider velocity of rain, obviously it will go in vertically downward, so you can write here VR j cap minus VR j cap. Okay, and it is on the rest, so obviously you can write here minus VR j cap minus 0. Okay, so velocity of rain with respect to man. Okay, so you can what, it will go vertically downward. Okay, so simply he will open vertically upward, then he can save with the raining. Okay, so now taking next example, so let me consider against raining, let me consider the raining speed minus 40 meter per second, and its velocity of rain with respect to ground. Okay, so now let a man again start running in the direction of, okay, in this direction. Okay, we consider 30 meter per second. So velocity of man with respect to ground is what, 30 meter per second. So in which direction open the umbrella that he can save by the rain. Okay, so now, so first of all write velocity of rain with respect to man. You can say velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. Okay, so here you can write velocity of rain with respect to ground. It will go vertically downward, so you can write 40 j cap. And what is the velocity of man with respect to ground? It will go in this direction, so we consider, you can write velocity 30 I. Okay, so now resultant you can draw this vector diagram. So it's a what, minus 40j. Okay, and it's a what, minus 30. So that means, okay, so that means this is the diagram of this vector. So what is the magnitude of velocity of rain by main? So that means what, minus 40 whole square plus minus 30 whole square, that means what, 1600 plus 900, that's a 2500, so 50 meter per second. So that means the velocity of rain filled by man, it's a what, 50 meter per second, or absorbed by man, that is a 50 meter per second. And in which direction open the umbrella, then he can save by the rain. So let, it's a what, it's a main, So obviously direction of rain it should be where? In this direction. So obviously man open the umbrella in this direction. Then that what say by the rain. So what is the angle? So let this is the alpha. So now here you can write here tan alpha is what? 30 by 40. So now you can write alpha equal to tan inverse 3 by 4. So this angle, at this angle open the umbrella. So after that, okay, man saved by the rain. Okay, so the next question, on the basis of rain man and rain person. So let me consider a rain, okay, angle makes 60 degree with horizontal. So this is the given the velocity of rain. Okay, so it's about velocity of rain with respect to ground. Okay, so we consider another, consider a man. Okay, it's a velocity of man with respect to ground. We consider velocity of m. Okay, so now in which direction man open the umbrella, then he can save by the rain by himself. Okay, so himself. So how? So now again, first of all, we are dividing velocity of rain in two components. Okay, so along this component you can write Vr what? Sine 60. Okay, and this component you can write Vr is cos 60. So this is the what? This is the what velocity of rain with respect to ground in along what? Y-axis and x-axis. So now here you can write, so velocity of rain with respect to ground, you can write here Vr cos 60 I minus Vr sin 60 j, and velocity of man with respect to ground you can write Vm I cap. Okay, so after that we are going to find velocity of rain with respect to man. So you can write what? Velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. So what is the velocity of rain with respect to ground? So you can write Vr cos 60 I minus Vr sin 60 j. Okay, so now what is the velocity of man with respect to ground? So you can write Vm I cap. So after then Vr cos 60 minus Vm I cap, you can write Vr sin 60 j cap. Okay, so let we consider here the velocity of rain, we consider 10 meter per second, or we consider 10 root 3 meter per second. Okay, and velocity of man we consider 20 meter per second. So now you can put here velocity of rain here is what? 10 root 3 cos 60 is what? Root 3 by 2. Velocity of man you consider 20 meter per second, velocity of man with respect to ground. Okay, so 20 meter per second I, and we are, so here what? 10 root 3 and sin 60 you can write root 3 by 2 j cap. So okay, you can write here, so 30 by 2, so it's a 15 minus 20 I cap. Here you can write 10 3 sorry, cos 60 is 1 by 2, sorry. So here you can write here, you can write 5 root 3 minus 20 I cap. Here you can write 5 3 is 15 j cap. Okay, so that means resultant velocity of rain with respect to man, so it will give what? 5 root 3 minus 20, it will become a negative, so it will go in this direction. So it will go in this direction, and velocity of this one, okay, velocity of rain with respect to man, resultant it will go, so minus 50. Okay, so that means, so the resultant direction of rain with respect to man, it will go in this direction. Okay, so how can find direction? Again you can find from tan alpha, you consider what? It's a what? I cap, so it's about 5 root 3 minus 20, you can write 15. Okay, so after then alpha equal to tan inverse 5 root 3 minus 20 by 15. So it's an angle makes with head. Okay, so that's means it's about direction of umbrella, so that he can save by umbrella. No, he can save by the rain. Okay, so the next question. So last question for rain main related. So let me consider a rain angle makes 37 degree. Okay, and its speed we consider later 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, another man we consider here on the ground. Let its speed velocity of man with respect to ground we consider 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, so now again, in which direction umbrella be open, that he can save by the rain. Okay, so it's about velocity of rain with respect to ground. So first of all, break this velocity of rain with respect to ground in I component and j component. So it will give the 50 sine 37 degree. Okay, and it's about 50 cos 37 degree. So you can write velocity of rain with respect to ground. So you can write about 50 cos 37 minus I and minus 50 cos 50 sine 37 j. So that means you can write cos 37 already told. So 37, that means what? 435. So that means cos 37, that means 4 by 5. Okay, so it's a minus, and minus 50 sine 37, that is what? 3 by 5 j cap. So 5 tangent, so it will what? Minus 40 I cap. Okay, and it's a what? Minus 30 j cap. Okay, so now it's a what? Kilometer per hour. So velocity of rain with respect to ground. So you can write velocity of rain with respect to man. So you can write velocity of rain with respect to ground minus velocity of man with respect to ground. So velocity of rain with respect to ground is this one, minus 40I minus 30I. So 30J. Okay. So here again velocity of man with respect to ground is a what? Minus 40. Okay, so I. Okay, so after that minus 40I and the minus 40I, it's a become a minus 80I minus 30J. Okay, so here again, so what is the angle made by the, chalo, let's see, first of all draw the vector of diagram velocity of rain with respect to man. So it's a what? It's a 80 in this direction and 30 it will go in this direction. So resulted obviously it will go in this direction. So what is the angle made by the head of the man and umbrella? So umbrella obviously should be this direction. Okay, so what is the angle here? So tan alpha, you can write what? Tan alpha again 80 by 30. 80 by 30. So here alpha equal to, you can write tan inverse 8 by 3. Okay, so angle from the head of the, okay, so head of the man, it's then you can save by the rain. Okay, the second example, okay, we consider let this rain, it will going in this direction with 37. Okay, so with 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, so in this direction, what is the velocity of rain with respect to ground? So we can write 50 cos 37, and in this direction 50 sine 37. Okay, so here you can write, so plus here minus. Okay, so after all this is the 40 minus 30I. So now after then velocity of rain with respect to man, so you can write here 40I minus 40I, so it will cancel out, so it will become only minus 30J. So that means what? The velocity of rain with respect to man, when the man move with 40 kilometer per hour, it will raining is coming vertically, okay, vertically downward over the head of the man. So it will open the umbrella vertically and vertically upward, that means in the direction of 90 degree. Okay, is it clear? So now After then I am going to discuss next application, swimmer and river. Okay, so let me consider swimmer and river. Okay, so very important. Okay, just little difference, okay, in between what, rain and man, and swimmer and river. So let's we consider a river. Okay, the velocity of water in river, let me consider BR. So this is the what, velocity of river with respect to ground. Okay, and now we consider distance of river is D. Okay, so now our swimmer, now it will start swimming in straightforward with velocity, let Vs. So first you think this Vs is the what, velocity of swimmer with respect to ground or velocity of swimmer with respect to river. So I think it's a what, velocity of swimmer with respect to river. How? So let we consider any person inside a river and he watch, then it will watching what, it will go in straight direction. Why? Because it is also inside a river. Acha, other person watching from the ground, so then it will feel what, this person, it will go in this direction. Okay, so this is the what, this is the velocity of swimmer with respect to ground. Okay, when any person watching from ground, so that means he watching that swimmer, it will go in this direction. That means the speed of the swimmer, it will what, with respect to ground. Okay, so now, so after then we are going to find here velocity of, here we know that, so we know that velocity of swimmer with respect to river, so you can write velocity of swimmer with respect to what, ground, minus velocity of river with respect to ground. Okay, so here velocity of swimmer with respect to river is given, that is Vs. Okay, and velocity of swimmer with respect to ground we don't know. Okay, so velocity of river with respect to ground, that is Vr. So from here we can find Vsg equal to Vs plus Vr. Okay, so now in vector term, in vector you can also write here the what, Vs is what, Vs it will moving in j direction. Okay, and we are moving in I direction. So in vector form we can write also Vsg is equal to Vs what, j cap and Br I cap. Okay, so what is the magnitude of velocity of swimmer with respect to ground? So obviously you know very well, so Vr square plus Vs square. And number 2, what is the angle big with direction of river? So that we consider tan alpha. So tan alpha is what, is you can write what here, tan alpha is what, you can write Vs and Br. So Vs by Vr, so alpha equal to what, tan inverse Vs by Vr. Okay, so question, okay, so now the second question is a very important. At which time the swimmer crossed the river? At which time river crossed the river? So the what, t is equal to what, distance by relative speed, that means velocity of speed with respect to ground. So what is d, and so d is the given distance between width of the river and the velocity of river with respect to ground is become Vr square plus Vs square. Okay, after then the question may be asked, what is the drift distance by the man? So man want to reach here, but it will drift here by the or cause of the speed of the river or cause of the velocity of the river. So it's a word drift. Okay, drift by the river, speed, velocity of river. So what is the drift? So you can write here the drift is what, mn. So what is the velocity of river in the direction of drifting? So that is what, Vr. Or you can say also, can ask the question, what is the distance? Okay, what is the distance drift by the man cause of river speed? So what is the river speed? So Vr. So you can write Vr, that is the velocity of river with respect to ground, into time. So what is the time? Time is already found. So Vr into, you can write d by square root of Vr square plus V square. Okay, so now we are going to give a example. I am taking a, So we are going to discuss an example. So let's start. So let me consider a river. Okay, consider having length 20 meter. Okay, we consider 20 meter. Let me consider 100 meter. Okay, so now velocity of swimmer. Okay, swimmer we consider 4 meter per second. 4 meter per second. So this speed is what? Velocity of swimmer with respect to what? River. Okay, and we given velocity of river with respect to ground is we consider let 3 meter per second. Okay, so now in this case, so we are going to find velocity of, first of all write velocity of swimmer with respect to river. So you can write velocity of swimmer with respect to ground minus velocity of river with respect to ground. So what is the velocity of swimmer with respect to river? So it's a 4 meter per second. Okay, and velocity of swimmer with respect to ground, don't know. So VRG it's about 30. So it's about in a direction of 4j cap and in the direction of 4i cap. So VSG, okay, VSG you can write 4j plus 3i cap. Okay, so what is the magnitude of velocity of swimmer with respect to ground? So obviously you can find 4 square plus 3 square, so 25. So you can write 5 meter per second. So this is the what velocity of swimmer with respect to ground. That means ground observe its a velocity, swimmer velocity is what? 5 meter per second. Okay, so which direction it is going? He is going, so that means obviously, so then we will find alpha. So tan alpha, you can write 4 by 3. So you can write alpha equal to tan inverse 4 by 3. Okay, so already know this is the word 4, this is the word 3. So alpha equal to tan inverse you can write pi by 2 cot 37 degree. Okay, also, so this is the what? Alpha equal to tan inverse 4 by 3. So this is the angle where it will flow. Okay, he will flow. Okay, sorry. So he will flow in this direction. So after then the question is what is the time taken, at which time he will cross the river. So already told t equal to the distance width of the river is what? 100, and the velocity of swimmer with respect to ground is 5 meter per second. That's about 20 meter. And drift by the man cause of velocity of river. So you can, this is the word drift. So you can find drift equal to what? Drift equal to, you can find in the direction river speed with respect to ground is 3 and time is what? So 20 second. So you can write 60 meter. Next question of the swimmer and river. So we are going to discuss. So let me consider again a river, a bed we consider let 100 meter. So let me consider velocity of swimmer with 3 km/h with theta angle with the straight line, this is straight line. Okay, so this is the velocity of swimmer. Okay, so now velocity of river is given, velocity of river with respect to ground given, we consider 2 km/h, and velocity of swimmer also given 3 km/h. So the question is what should be the angle theta? So it will cross this path, a straight path. Okay, just opposite of initial point. Okay, so the question, and after then at which time it will cross the river. So first of all divide in component, two component, velocity of swimmer with respect to river. So now this is the word 3 cos, you can write 3 cos theta j cap, and you can write here 3 sin theta I cap. Okay, so minus I, is it? So after then write first of all velocity of swimmer with respect to river, you can write velocity of swimmer with respect to ground minus velocity of river with respect to ground. Here velocity of swimmer with respect to ground, you can write velocity of swimmer with respect to river plus velocity of river with respect to ground. So here the velocity of river with respect to, velocity of swimmer with respect to river, you can write what? 3 cos theta j cap plus minus 3 sin theta I cap. After then you can write velocity of river. Okay, you can write 2 I cap. So here it will become minus 3 sin theta plus 2i, okay, cap plus 3 cos theta j cap. And listen carefully, very easy. So here what streamer want to cross just opposite of initial point, so that means horizontal component, okay, with respect to ground must be 0. So that means here you can write 3 sin theta plus 2 equal to 0. So that means sin theta equal to minus 2y minus 3. So the theta must be sin inverse of 2/3. Okay, the angle must be what? Sin inverse 2/3. Okay, so after then theta when you got, so obviously the velocity of streamer with respect to ground only 3 cos theta component, so j cap. Okay, so what should be the velocity of resultant? That means what is the value of, you can find velocity of streamer with respect to ground. So what you can write, 3 is 3 cos theta whole square. So that means you can write what, 3 cos theta. So what should be the cos theta value? So obviously sin theta is this one. So you can write 3 square root of 1 minus sin square theta. So after then you can write 1 minus 4 by 9. So you can write 3 square root of 5 by 9. So you can write 3 into square root of 5 by 3 cancels. So root 5 meter per second. This is the what? Velocity of streamer with respect to ground. That will become square root of 5 meter per second. So at this time it will cross. So t equal to distance and the speed. So it's it's a kilometer per hour. So write kilometer per hour. So 100 by 1000 kilometer, and so what? It's a divide by 5 kilometer per hour. So you will get the time. So it will become 10 root 5 second. Hour. Okay. So it is the time we are taken to cross the river. Okay, and what is the drift by man? Nothing, because it's a already, obviously it's a drift by the river. Nothing. When the ask question drift by the river, so that means this distance. If the question asks what is the drift here, so here the drift is 0. Why? Because it's arrived just what, opposite to initial points. Okay. So now, so the next question we consider in streamer, river, so we consider a river having length 2 kilometer. Okay, and we consider the velocity of streamer, it will move makes with 37 degree. Okay, with the speed of, we consider 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, and velocity of river we consider 4 kilometer per hour. Okay, so at this time the swimmer crossed the river. So firstly find the velocity of streamer with respect to ground. So for this one, obviously we write what, velocity of streamer with respect to river equal to velocity of streamer with respect to ground minus velocity of river with respect to ground. So okay, here the velocity of streamer with respect to ground, you can write velocity of streamer with respect to river plus velocity of river with respect to ground. Okay, so now break the component velocity of streamer with respect to river in two components. So let here 5, this is the what, 5 cos 37, okay, and this is the what, 5 sin 37. So here you can write velocity of SR, okay, velocity of streamer with respect to river, you can write 5 cos 37 j cap minus 5 sin 37 I cap. Okay, and velocity of river with respect to ground, so here what, 4 I cap. Okay, so after velocity of streamer with respect to ground, So here you can write 5 cos 37 j cap 5 sin 37 I cap. Okay, so after L here you can write 4I cap. Okay, so now after then you can break 5 cos 37 already told, that is the 455. Okay, so here 5 sin 37 by 5, so sin 37 you can write 3 by 5, so it's a cancel, it's a 4I. So after all here you can write it's a 4j minus it's a 3I cap, okay, plus 4I. So that means you can find here 4 3, that means equal to 1I cap, it's a 4j cap. Okay, so after all you can see the resultant is what, 1I, okay, and it's a 4j. So that means swimmer it will go in this direction. Okay, so the resultant of swimmer is what? The resultant of swimmer with respect to ground is it what? Is it equal to 1 square plus 4 square, that is square root of 70 meter per second. So that's the velocity of swimmer with respect to ground. You will already got square root of 70 meter per second. And which angle it will? It will, so from, let me take the from this axis or river speed, so we consider alpha, so you can write tan alpha, that is what, 4 by 1, so you can find alpha equal to tan inverse 4 by 1. Okay, so it's a what, resultant direction, resultant angle of velocity of swimmer with respect to ground. Okay, and so what is the time taken to reach the cross the river? So you can write t equal to distance by velocity of swimmer with respect to ground. So 2y, what is the velocity of swimmer with respect to ground? So it will become what, square root of 70. So it's a anything, so it will become this. Okay, so all in hour, so please write in all thing kilometer per hour. So here, so 2 kilometer y square root of 70 kilometer per hour, so it will become this 1 hour to cross the river. Okay, so if you want to more number of problem on the basis of relative speed, relative velocity in 2 dimension, so please give a comment. Okay, thank you.